Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. Thanks to the new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. Now, my question to you is, what are you living for, or who are you living for? The reason why I ask this question is because I've seen that a lot of people don't live for themselves, necessarily. They live up to other people's expectation, especially people in the church, people in a whole day-to-day life. I don't want you to get this confused with kids, because I feel that kids need to live up to their parents' rules and regulations that they set. You have to live up to your parents' standard until you reach the age where you can move out and live on your own. And the reason why it's different for kids is because you live under your parents' roof. They set rules and regulations for you to follow. So it is expected of you to live up to these rules and expectations until you turn an adult yourself. Now that you're an adult, why are you still living for other people? For example, you have people in the church, and I've seen this for myself, where they live up to their church member expectation, they live up to their pastor, they'll do stuff or they'll post stuff on Facebook and other people comment on it. Oh, you can't be posting this because you're a Christian and, blah, blah, blah. The reason why people post things sometimes is to express themselves. Expressing yourself help you to feel better, help you to get your point across. Whatever you're posting, it helps you to get your point across, to the whole world. And sometimes people do things and you see people commenting, oh, you're not supposed to be doing this and you're not supposed to be doing that. To me, that is wrong. Why can't you just live? Why can't you enjoy life? Why can't you express to yourself the way you want to? Why do you have to live up to other people's expectations all the time? And that is, I find that whenever people do that and live up to other people's expectations, you're always in a state of apology. You're always in a state where you always feel the need to apologize for things that you have done. And I think this is really, really sad. So why the sense that you're living for other people when you have one life that you have to live for yourself? Take it into consideration, all of this that you're doing is to please other people. At some point in your life, you're going to feel unhappy. You're going to be sad that, you're always living for other people and all of those stuff and living up to them, and then they're doing this, and then you compare it and you say, oh, but I can't do it too. So I always find conflict where that is concerned, And I've seen it many, many times where people tend to do that, and they always say to me, oh, Mark, you can't be doing this and you can't be doing that. But for me personally, I'm a rebel. Just to let you know, I just do stuff that I like doing. I like to make myself happy, and I do things that I feel like doing that, I just try to do the right things, but I'll just do things that makes me happy. And I think nothing is wrong with that. We all have one life to live, and if you don't live yours, then, you just be left behind. People will live it for you. So, answer that question for me down in the comments. Let me know who you're living for, if you're living for yourself or you're living up to other people's expectation apart from kids. Share your comments below. I want to say thanks to everyone for tuning in again. There's so much that I want to do on this channel, that I have a lot of dreams, goals that I set for myself, but so I'm in a state right now where I can't really express it until I get over certain stuff, so that kind of hampering me from actually expressing myself the way I want to. But I'm trying to find a way to bring it out to you guys, fighting this battle that I'm going through, and find a way to bring it forward into my videos and entertain and motivate and let people learn, based on the content that I want to bring across. And these come in the form of like skits, probably short movies, short films that have like crazy ideas in my head that I want to start these stuff. I just want to do something cool, like a couple short films and stuff like that. But I don't know, I might start it and edit and see where it goes, and just keep making videos, keep getting footage and see how it goes. So hopefully my channel stay up as long as it can and I get to put this work together. But apart from that, I just want to say thanks again for everybody that's subscribing. And if you really like my content, just subscribe to the channel. Let me know. Support me. Support I get to you. Support a brother. Alright? So thanks again for watching, guys. I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.